Okay, we are going to unbox this smart temperature and humidity monitor from Tapo. Basically, this is coming from the TP-Link brand, which is a pioneer in smart gadgets and other network devices like your Wi-Fi routers and all. So I was looking for a nice and reliable temperature monitor. I already have a offline monitors, but they are not so reliable. So I was looking for a better one, and I found this one on the internet. So I just bought this. So let's unbox this and see what is it and what is it capable of. So before that, we'll just see the specs of this smart temperature and humidity monitor. So the model number is Tapo 315, and it says the display is with e-ink display. It says it's clear and sharp and e-ink display, and it has a 180-degree viewing angle. So looking at it from different angles will not be a problem. Okay, and it says Tapo Hub is required. I'll make another video regarding the hub. The hub which is required is T100 Hub. We'll see in a later video. And if you look at the specs of this temperature monitor, we can see its model number is T315, and display is 2.7-inch display with e-ink display, and it works on two AAA batteries, and it says the battery life comes around 1 year plus. We need to check that. And the temperature range which it is capable of showing is from 0 to 50 degrees. So 50 degrees is fine. Beyond 50 degrees it doesn't help much monitoring the temperature. And the humidity range is 0 to 99%, and humidity range is 0 to 99%. And it says the accuracy is plus or minus 0.3 degrees, which is pretty good. And the accuracy is plus or minus 0.3 degrees centigrade, which is pretty good. Okay, and it says Tapo Hub is required. And these are the other things. And you can see the package contents. It says smart alert function. Basically, you can set alerts beyond if the temperature goes beyond a limit. And the package contents are one Tapo 315 monitor, temperature monitor, two AAA batteries, user guide. Then you have anti-slip adhesives to stick it. If you want to stick it somewhere, you can use this. So let's open this. So here we have the batteries. These are the two AAA batteries. Then you have the user guide. This is the quick start guide. It shows how to initialize, and since it works with the Tapo 100 Hub. Basically, it has instructions how to connect it to the hub and all. And these are the adhesives. So this is another adhesive if you want to stick it somewhere else. And you have the quick start guide again. And you have, I think, is the warranty manual or something. Then you have the actual humidity monitor. So it is very handy. You can see the size of it. It is very small. It looks small. It doesn't occupy much space, and it looks cute also. Okay, so let us. So I think this is for the catching the surrounding air and measure it, and this is for the speaker, I guess. So let's install the batteries and check. So now we have installed and we can see it's up and running. So currently inside my house it is 28.4 degrees centigrade and 62, the humidity is 62%. And this is the battery indicator, and this is the and you can see the Emicon button. It says it's currently not happy. So I don't know, 28 degrees must be well and good. So this is it. So it's a cute monitor, and it's a smart one. So it should as you when you connect it to the T100 Hub and start monitoring on your the app on your mobile, this will be very reliable thing.